everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hope you are doing well. Today we talk about social media marketing. We are jumping into the universe of web-based entertainment promoting, separating it in straightforward terms so you can soar your web-based presence. Before we start, click on bell icon so that our new video reach you. Let's get started. What is social media marketing? Let's start with the basics. Social media marketing is the use of platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to promote products or services. It's like having a global conversation with your audience. Benefits of social media marketing: first, increase brand visibility; second, targeting audience engagement; third, cost effective advertising; fourth, real time customer feedback; and fifth, enhanced brand awareness; sixth, customer loyalty. Picking the right platform. Not all online entertainment stages are made equivalent. We will direct you through picking the right one for your business. It's Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, or TikTok. Every stage has its remarkable crowd and highlights. Why is it important? Presently, you could ask, for what reason would it be a good idea for me? I waste time with web-based entertainment promoting. All things considered, it's a unique advantages for organization. It assists you with contact a more extensive crowd, fabricate brand mindfulness, and draw in with your clients. On an individual level, it's an immediate pass to your object marketing, making convincing content. Now that you will picked your foundation, how about we talk content? Become familiar with the craft of making eye-getting posts, drawing in recordings, and shareable substance. Keep in mind higher standards no matter what is the key. Understanding process. At any point, asked why a few posts get more detectable quality than others. Everything revolves around calculations. We will separate the fundamentals, assisting you with fitting your substance to get seen by calculations, and all the more critical your crowd. Building a circle. Social media is about building relationships. Find how to draw in with your crowd. Answer remarks and happy fans regularly change into devoted clients. Paid advertising. Prepare to take it up and indent. Investigate the universe of paid promoting via web-based entertainment. Help your compass target explicit socioeconomics and measure your profit from it. Remember, it resembles putting your message on the road of success. Investigation and estimation. No marketing strategy is complete with analytics. Learn out how to follow your exhibition graphs, measurements, and change your methodology is view of the information. This is mystery ingredient to persistent improvement. A few normal errors that organization and powerhouses make while trying out online entertainment promoting efforts are neglecting to characterize clear objectives and targets. Without obviously characterized objective, it's difficult to achievement and track progress. Organization or powerhouses should lay out an attainable objective. Second, not understanding where their listener might to be coming from. Understanding their interest group is a fundamental part. Making content without knowing the ideal interest group promotes broadcast to some unstable individuals. Third, overposting, posting time and again promote devote burnout, promoting unfollows. Attempt to track down a distance between posting content and trying not to spam takes care of. Fourth one is overlooking commitment. Web-based entertainment is a two-way discussion, and organization and powerhouses should stand by listening to a sportive input, answer message, and draw in with their crowd on private, profound, or their interest level. Fifth, being too advancement centered while online entertainment is a brilliant stage of advancement. It's critical to try not to show expensively deals in happy. All things considered center around quality, substance that meets the client's advantages. By staying away from these normal errors, uh, organization and powerhouses can all the more likely improve their web-based entertainment lobbies for progress. When defining clear goals and objectives for a social media marketing campaigning, consider the following effective strategy. Use the SMART goal framework. SMART stand for specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, goal and time bound. For example, instead of a goal like increase followers, make it specific and measurable, like increase Instagram followers by 20% within 3 months. Conduct audience research, understanding your target audience demographics, interest behaviors, and pain points. This knowledge will help you your goals with their needs to preference, ultimately leading to better engagement and conversation. Goals with overall business objectives. Your social media goals should support the broader objectives of your business, whether it's increasing brand awareness, driving website traffic, generating leads, or boosting sales. Ensure that your social media goals are in line with these large objectives. Set realistic benchmarks, research and analyze industry standards and your competitors. Performance to set realistic benchmarks for your social media goals. This will help you your program and ensure your goals and challenging yet attainable. Track and analyze data. Analyze social media analytics tools to track and analyze relevant metrics such as reach, engagement, click-through rates, conversation, and revenue. Regularly review these metrics to measurement the effectiveness of your social media campaigns and make data-backed decision. Sixth one is break down goals into actionable steps. Once you will define your goals, break them down into smaller actionable steps. This will help you create a clear roadmap for achieving your objectives and make the process your manageable. Seventh one is periodically and adjust goals. Social media is a dynamic landscape, so regularly your goals to adapt to new trends or changes in your business environment. Make adjustment as needed to ensure your goals remain relevant and with your overall market strategy. By completing these strategy, you can define clear goals and objectives from your social media market campaigning. Lead to more focused and successful efforts. Compelling ground research for your online entertainment showcasing efforts. Follow these means. First, criticize your ideal interest group, being by making point by point purchaser persons for your main interest group. In view of your business goals, characterize the socioeconomics, interest, inclinations, ways of behaving, and trouble sports of those you need to search. Second one is direct ladies studies, leading overviews in an extraordinary method for getting data about your ideal interest group. You can free or minimal expense online instruments, for example, Survey Monkey or Typeform to fabricate polls and gather input. Third one is visual entertainment. Discussion utilize web-based entertainment, checking instruments like Hootsuite, Brandwatch, or screen online entertainment stages for hashtag and watchwords. Contact with your business or industry. These discussions and pay attention to input from client. Fourth one is investigate existing client information. Take a gender at your CRM information, email records, and other clients' information you need to figure out. Your current clients' age, orientation, interest, and other segment data. Fifth one is interview clients, direct insider and out meetings or center gatherings with your interest group. This will assist you with further experience into their inspirations. trouble sports, and how they see your image. Don't forget to look at our different videos, and on the off chance that you have any inquiries or points like us to cover, leave a comment below. See you in the next video. Hope you like this video. If you like our video, please like and subscribe and share this video.